Learn how we're doing $1K plus per day with CPA by using 1-cent clicks and new cutting-edge features from a monster traffic source. Quickly generate power 1-cent clicks to start crushing CPA campaigns today. Super Target Leads. This is the #1 traffic source in the world. Start with only $5. Available for all CPA networks. This is just a copy and paste CPA method. The beginner-friendly method. Only you need to do is just read. We will reveal how we rise the #1 traffic source in the world to get 1-cent CPM from the US, UK, NZ, California. Quality traffic. The traffic source that you will be using is a unique, powerful source of converting traffic. You will not get any fake clicks. You will be front of real people. I am talking about people who looking for your offer, people who are ready to put their information. Run on autopilot. This is your opportunity to make huge profits, with little to no effort. After finishing the setup, you can expect fast conversions doing little to no work at all. On top of that, you don't need to use any tools, software. Bear in mind that under the conditions we currently are, more and more people are looking to start making money online. In other words, this industry is set to explode over the upcoming months, and this is time for financial freedom. Only with simple $5 you can start profitable CPA business and earn 5 figures a month. New method. This is 100% profitable CPA method. You never did CPA this way. I can provide a full guarantee on that. On this method, I will show you how to turn $5 into hundreds in little as 24 hours. We reserve it for only 10 people, so make sure to be the one who will get this CPA method to make as much money possible on your 2021 CPA journey. We are in January 2021, so make sure you start in the next 24 hours your profitable business to make sure 2021 will be a guaranteed successful year.